I had this meeting scheduled and I was having some technical difficulties, and I called the person.
Mm-hmm.
Said, listen, I'm having some difficulties. I can't pull your file, whatever the case is.
Yep.
Person was upset.
Yep.
Right. And I said, I'm embarrassed that my system is not working.
Good.
And she completely changed. She was like, oh, it's okay. You know, let's
Yeah.
do it later.
I was dying. I was dying to give you that.
Because I said, I'm embarrassed.
Yeah. And next time this happens, I even want you to lead with I'm embarrassed, right? Stephanie, I am, to be honest, I'm really embarrassed here with when we say it's not my fault, them's is fighting words, right? When we pretend nothing happened, them's is you're incompetent words. But when we say we're embarrassed, people come to our rescue, right? I can be talking to Ken, and Ken, it's not my fault. Oh, Ken, man, no, I was swamped with this, and we had a meeting. Ken, I got a kid that's sick at home, and Ken don't want to hear that. Ken, I am so embarrassed. I cannot believe it. I missed that meeting, man. I am so embarrassed. Ken's automatically gonna be, don't worry about it, dude. Like when we use the word embarrassed, it is such a powerful word in the English language because everybody remembers what it's like to be embarrassed, okay? And we all are like, let me help you. But the minute you go, not my fault, or ignore it, nothing good comes from that. So Orlando, dude, you are picking up what I'm putting down. I'm super proud of you. If you like this video, I got you. I'm gonna hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm gonna give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm gonna pay for everything. You're gonna close a lot more business. You're gonna make a lot more money. You're gonna have a lot more fun, and you're gonna be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm gonna be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're gonna say, yes, we did. And then you and I are gonna be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends, and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.